Hi, so today we're making 3 super cool vinegar and baking soda projects. And yes, I do have a bird background, kind of. I guess birds are outside, so yeah. Hello everybody, I'm here with my sister, Ira. And hi. Okay, and I am also, and in the title, you know that we're going to be making, what do you call it, like, little science projects. Yeah, I guess, little science projects. And so, if you have these things, you can, like, make it. You don't need to have, like, exactly everything. You need vinegar and baking soda. That's, like, all that you really need that are very important if you want to do this. Like all of these 3 we're going to do. We're going to do 3 of these. And I don't know if one of them will even work because kind of it didn't. Right. You don't have enough. Like the bottle is too high. Okay. So it won't do. It's out a little bit. So first, okay. So first one we're going to do needs. You need to first put baking soda in. You should first shake it so like big chunks of it. Is anything even coming out? Yeah. Okay, is that enough? Yeah. All right. I'm just asking my sister because right now, oops. Look at that. Why is this not working? You need to add some more. No, I think this vinegar like has been out. Oh, look at the airplane. Right. I think the vinegar is like has been outside like all night. So that must be why it's not working. I'm going to add. Okay, I'm going to add vinegar in. Ooh! See, it's working! Yay, vinegar! Vinegar saves the day! I think we're gonna have to cut the baking somewhere. I'm gonna get the scissors. No, don't get the scissors. I think that's all we need. So cool! It's like a volcano. This is how you make volcanoes. Like this is how everybody makes volcanoes, except they add like red food coloring inside of the vinegar, I think. Or like something like that. And so you can like do that with red food coloring if you want to. The more vinegar, the better. Yeah. I don't have a lot of vinegar, but like I'm just doing it. Since I'm only doing 3 things today. Okay, so that's the first one. We're going to do the second one, which is the one that maybe will work, maybe won't work. So I'll have to lift the camera a bit for this. 1 second, I'm just going to get this ready. I'm sorry that I didn't do a video last week. So I'm going to do like 2 videos this week. Okay, so I saw it was supposed to like pop up and like kind of like explode. It wasn't supposed to explode the bottle, but I figured that there was a little hole in it that I was supposed to cover with tape, but I didn't. So I covered it with tape, and now we're ready to go. Here we go. I'm going to add vinegar in one of these. Can you see it? Can you even see it? I'm trying to show you. I think there you can see it. Yeah. Just add a little bit. You have to fill up this. Oh no. Ugh. It's already starting to fizz. Yeah, I wonder why it's not stuck to it, like it's leaking, kind of. You could say. I think I'll need more tape. Okay, I'll be right back with fresh tape on top of this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Can you please give me the baking? Oh yeah, there it is. A little bit of baking soda right there. Okay, bottom actually. And just funnel it through, I guess. It's not even working. This funnel doesn't work, I guess. I just found it somewhere in my house. Okay, put that funnel away. Super small. Get this cap.
It does work.
Okay. Alright. Get this part of the cap. Add vinegar in it. Oh, oopsies. Oh. I think this one's not like, still has a little baking soda in it from last time. So switch them around. Sorry for my horrible logic. I'm gonna do this quick and I'm gonna show it to you. Ugh, I hate the smell of vinegar. Comment below if you think it smells good or if you think it smells like bad.
I think it smells bad.
Me too. It's like sister to sister, smelling bad. Add it in quick. Oh, it didn't work. So silly. Okay, add a little bit of vinegar. Oh, all right, stop. Stop, little buddy. Stop, stop, stop. Gotta be quick. That's so hard to work with. I better do something with this.
There's tape on both sides of the boxes. There's tape on both sides of the boxes.
I know. Oh, did you see like that dust? Like, this chemicals coming out? Like, I think chemicals. This is so cool.
It's like smoke.
Yeah, it's like smoke. Maybe you can't see it in the camera, but maybe if you do this in real life, you can see it. I will actually probably clean this bottle up and we will get to show you the real experiment because I think, oh, wow, this is not even opening anymore. Open up, please.
It didn't work out as good.
So we'll have to just fix this bottle and we'll be back to you in well, at least you'll not see the clip, but yeah. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, I think this time it'll work. I hope it works. And I just really want to finish it off here, you know? And I think this video is getting too long for you. And so I'm just going to end it right after this try. So last try, if it works, tell me in the comments. And give me a like if you think that it's cool how this reaction happens. Okay, let's go. See? Did you see that? It just went like poof. Like it's still fizzing up. And so cool. Alright, so that's all the time I'm going to use from you. I'm gonna empty these. And that's it for today. So bye.
There's
and a shout out to my subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. I'm pretty new and I've already got like 10 subscribers. You might think that's very little, but I mean for me I just began like 1 or 2 months ago and I think that's kind of like a big thing. Okay, thank you. Bye. And it's not been pretty long. Once the video got super old and it's been video for like days and months, people were really lucky. And with Hanya's videos, we get more subscribers. If you tend to check out our videos and you don't have this cover. Come on. Get the iPad. Nothing outside here. Come on, we're gonna do more fun stuff without videos. It's more fun. Put the vinegar in, kid. I'm gonna put. I want to see what happens when you add vinegar and chalk. I'm just gonna know. This chocolate thing. Not even coming out. Do that. And do a fountain of vinegar. We're out of vinegar. So look, we made snow, but instead of water, we added vinegar. Kind of like snow. It's just a little too wet. It's pretty much snow to me. I remember when we added baking powder instead of baking soda because we didn't have any baking soda. It worked out not that good because at first it was kind of okay when it is. But it was hard and solid. I bring the iPad. I take the baking soda. You bring the iPad and the plate. Bring the iPad and plate. A tiny plate that's making it stand. We need this. Okay. I got everything that is important to it. Tell friends about my YouTube channel and also check out my cousin's channels, Danielle's Planet and Hanya's Wonderland, right? Wonderland. Yep. My sister's tongue. Hanya's Wonderland. And I hope my other cousin and my sister will also be getting like a YouTube channel soon. I'll tell you when they do.